Hi, my name is Cindy. If you've been here before, so glad you came back. And if you're new, welcome to Z9 Designs. Keep watching and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to see some cozy ideas. In addition, please like, save, share, and comment. It really helps my channel to grow. So let's get on with it and check out my cozy corner that I have for you to see today. The supplies are plates from Dollar Tree, silverware from Amazon, napkins from Home Goods, jute from Dollar Tree, the riser, I made it myself, placemats, self-made, coasters, TJ Maxx, runners, Joann Fabrics, napkin rings, self-made, leaves and mushrooms, Joann Fabrics, glassware, Dollar Tree some time ago, and acorns that are self-made. Now, you always start out with a clean table. Then I threw a yard of green gauze on the table and scrunched it up and used it as a runner. Then I put down placemats that I made from jute at each place setting. Next, the plates that were put on top of the jute placemats were green and blue. And I made sure that the design was all going in the same direction. Then I put down coasters on each side of the plate and set a goblet on top. Now the coasters kind of look like little mini charcuterie boards, so you can also use them as that. So it has a double use. Now it is time for the centerpiece. I put a riser in the middle of the table. And originally, I had put a jute pumpkin of 2 sizes on top. Instead of putting the knife, fork, and spoon on the sides of the plate, I put them on the plate. That's a little different. And since I used the jute, I decided to use some black silverware to kind of balance off all of the jute. I found some beige and green napkins and made some jute pumpkins. And these were slipped on the napkins and set on the side of the fork. However, I changed my mind. and I put one jute pumpkin on top. And then I weave some lights in there, and also I weave some lights into the mini pumpkins, and I think they look fantastic. Now, this is my cozy corner, and I just love to sit here, have dinner or snack or tea. My friends stop by, they sit at the table, and we have a great conversation. Now, Cozy Corner, or Vignette, is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. The co-hosts are Ivy Dowd, Design with Emma, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and me, Z9 Designs. These women are wonderful and know how to make any corner cozy. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment, and show them some love. And be sure to use the hashtag CozyCorner24. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of your comments. And remember, you make known to me the path of life. You will fill me with joy in your presence, with eternal pleasures at your right hand. This is found in Psalm 16:11, New English Version. See you later. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful week.